Donald and Douglas blue livery. So I'm in the middle of making these customs, including mallard. So I hope by the end of the day I finish this. I'm not gonna show you this the process. I already done this several times, but today we have a lot of mail. So let's get into the mail, and then first thing on the mail we have this resin garden statue. It is sold by Lordree on Amazon. Link it in the description. I'm gonna say it's really nice. Thank you for sending this craft. Actually, they say it's a craft. Very cool, very nice. I like the turtle. It's very smiley, including the frog. Amazing. Check the link in the description, guys. It's very great. I'm gonna put it on. Actually, I wanted to put it on my desk. That's great. Next box we have some models that are for parts. So we have a Thomas. This is a very good model for Timothy. I like to do a lot of Timothy the Ghost engines, and this of course going to be for a minute I almost forgot. This is a good will be custom for a smudger, and it comes with a Stafford. Look, this is a part for what I like buying these parts is, I mean, these models are for parts, and I can get like the rubber bands and sometimes the motor. This is actually good. I just need to replace the battery terminal. This Thomas, someone put it, I guess someone put it in the water, but I'm interested in the chassis and the shell. Of course it's not working. Reneas at least is working and just needs some coke or new gear, and we are good to go. At least maybe some motor it's working. It's very quiet. That's awesome. Good for parts. Oh, look at that, it's working. Stafford is working. And I got all this for as a junk. They say it's for parts. So good find. I mean, good parts. Is the pullback working? Yep, it's working. And the Trackmaster Revolutions works too. Another product sent by a company from Amazon. It's the brand is YESCOO. That's why that's what it says on Amazon. Manual, instructions, directions, whatever you want to call it. Oh, look at this! It expands. So that's why you can put a bigger things in here. Like, all right, this is how it works. To expand this bottom adjusters, you need to turn this knob. See that how it comes out? So it will be adjusted for different cup size. The other one, you just turn the other knob dial like that. Cool. Let's do a test. My mug holder is kind of loose, so we just need to move the ring and adjust. That's much like it. And actually you can adjust the ring inside the cup holder like that, tight. Good. Test my bottle of water, a mug, very good. Let's put a pop. By the way, this is not a paid endorsement by this company. And I have this size, forgot about it. Let's try this big one. This is a big one. So we can just turn this ring to open it, and it fits excellent. Also, if you have a bucket of KFC, another company that is not paying me anything, just extend the little arms that as you can see here, and you can set then a big bucket. See? Anyways, not even paid by this company. Wasn't it that a great demo? So don't forget to remove this film that is all over the product. Shiny. Okay, let's continue. Remember, link is in the description. Thank you to YESCOO company for sending me this product. Great product. All right, cool. Next part of the mail time. Talking about mallard, we got another Spencer, so we can turn it into mallard. That is awesome. Please don't forget about this product, link in the description. Great product. I must say this Spencer, it's well, good shape actually, and seller's description it says for parts, but I can see it's working. It just needs new cog or new gear and we're good to go. Includes Plarail, little hopper car. It is missing the top, so we're talking about the build. I think I have one of these tops laying around somewhere in the garage, but it's working and it's very shiny. Look, cool. There you go. It is working. There's no noise on it. Good for Timothy the Ghost Engine. I like this model, so I can make the Timothy the Ghost Engine. That's the best model I can get, you know, to make a profit. That's the only way. I like these models for parts. Definitely not good, but I must say the motor it's great. Missing one rubber ring. I can make the Mad Bomber, just remove the face, and no bueno. Also battery corrosion. We have good rubber rings. Yep, good motor, just a little cleaning. Look what I'm doing. Even with the corrosion, you can just scrape it a little bit and it works. Like I said, good motor. Just need a new cog or new gear and awesome. Now here's what we can do. I'm not gonna show you this on video, of course. It's unboxing mail time, but we can replace this for a spring battery terminal, or either way we can just nickel plate and make it look like a new. That's it. I don't see the wires being cut or anything. Hold on. Yeah, it works. 3 bolts and makes it work. Yeah, it is working. I love it. Look guys, it's working. I can even just put the new battery cover in. That's it. Yeah, it's very smooth. But I'd rather just paint it blue like this one. Look at the rooftop. This black James shows no sign of wires being cut or anything. Good face, good colors. I'm gonna put 3 bolts. Oh, look at that, guys. Amazing. Yeah, I love my work. I love my job. It is working. Oh, come on. Good. Excellent. You know what I'm about to do with this, James. It's gonna be black. Cool. These wheels are for Mallard. So I better start the assembly of this model. I'm really behind schedule. There's a lot of things. Another great product from a seller on Amazon. Check the link in the description. Thank you for sending me. I got I think like 7 different products of the same seller. But like I say, link is in the description, guys. Good products. I already tested this for about 2 months now, and it holds for 2 charges for my phone. Made in Japan. Just kidding. It's just the box. So I have this Cranky the crane. Now here's the fun part. Remote is included. That's great. And I know it's missing the side plate, nameplates. Why only 3 screws? It should be 4. Oh, here's the other one. 4. Okay. Thank you. 10% off. Okay, I'll check your blind bid. There's not much description on the seller's item. But anyways, I can see there's a little corrosion. I can replace these battery terminals. Also on the remote, same problem. We will fix it with this product. And I have my Smurf cup here. Let's dip it in. See how it bubbles? That's the chemical reaction. So the white vinegar, it does not make damage on the battery terminals because it's some sort of mild acid that it only attacks the corrosion. Can you see it there? It's working. How about that? Like new. Moment of truth.
Hello, I'm Cranky.
Oh, look at that. Works. Now, when you come and clean the battery terminals, make sure you just use a toothbrush, not much of white vinegar, or it's going to spill on your decals. You don't want to damage the decals. Get the job done. As you can see, the corrosion was not in the metal, it just was on top of the as you can see, it's working. That's the home button. It resets and goes all the way until the ladders or stairs align to the face. That's the up and down. Good. Commerce, California. We have a Timothy the Ghost engine model. So this one goes to California. Remember, put the wheels down, squeeze the top, pull at the same time, and then you can access the battery terminal. It is working awesome. Can you hear the motor? There it's working. It is working great. Commerce, California. A plush Thomas, diesel, and Cana. Look at this.
I'm recycling garbage for fuel. Here comes Thomas.
Hello, Thomas. I'm just a little cranky today. Oh well.
Hi, Cranky. If you need speed, I'm the best. Electric. Hello, friend. Hi,
Edmond, Oklahoma. So we have three models which are Black James custom model. This is a Tomy, and we have a Blue Henry, also Tomy, and a Silver Percy. It is Silver Percy, it's Hitoy company. And to access the battery compartment, just squeeze both sides like that and pull up. Then put the battery on, and it works excellent. It is our Silver Percy. I gotta do this fast. Okay, I'm gonna leave the battery on. Next one we have Blue Henry. Let's put the fresh battery. Oh, it is on, and it's working. Can you hear the motor? Barely. Great custom model. Thank you, that buyer, for supporting my channel. The next one we have a Black Custom James. Black James. There goes battery. Oh, look, this model is fast. Yep, I like how it sounds. 3 custom models to Edmond, Oklahoma. Thank you for buying my customs.